The front-side view of this Rolls-Royce Phantom exudes pure luxury and dominance. With its imposing blacked-out grille, signature Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and sleek, angular headlights, the car demands attention. The large multi-spoke alloy wheels add a sporty yet elegant touch, while the custom wide body kit enhances its road presence. The sculpted bumper, featuring aggressive air intakes, gives it a modern and bold look. The glossy white paint reflects the futuristic LED lighting in the showroom, highlighting every refined curve of the design. The side mirrors, integrated seamlessly with the body, add to the streamlined aesthetic. The lowered stance further accentuates its commanding aura, blending elegance with performance. The precision in craftsmanship and attention to detail showcase Rolls-Royce's commitment to luxury, making this front-end design a perfect balance of power, sophistication, and exclusivity. It's an undeniable statement of prestige and excellence. The interior of this Rolls-Royce Phantom is the epitome of opulence, combining cutting-edge technology with handcrafted luxury. The plush leather seats, adorned with intricate stitching and the iconic Rolls-Royce emblem, provide an unmatched level of comfort. The starlight headliner creates a mesmerizing ambiance, enhancing the sense of exclusivity. High-end wood and chrome accents flow seamlessly across the dashboard and door panels, exuding sophistication. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen integrate effortlessly into the design, offering a blend of tradition and modernity. Rear passengers are treated to reclining seats, a champagne cooler, and foldable tray tables, ensuring first-class travel comfort. Ambient lighting adds a warm glow, elevating the cabin's serene atmosphere. Every detail, from the whisper-quiet ride to the precision-crafted controls, reflects Rolls-Royce's dedication to perfection. This interior is not just a space, it is an experience of unparalleled elegance and refinement. The rear side view of this Rolls-Royce Phantom is a perfect blend of elegance and power, exuding an aura of prestige. The sleek taillights, with their modern yet timeless design, seamlessly integrate into the sculpted trunk, which proudly displays the iconic Rolls-Royce emblem. The blacked-out rear bumper, enhanced by chrome exhaust tips, adds a touch of sportiness while maintaining the brand's signature sophistication. The wide body stance and large multi-spoke alloy wheels contribute to its commanding road presence, ensuring it looks as majestic from the back as it does from the front. The glossy red paintwork reflects the ambient showroom lighting, further accentuating the vehicle's refined curves and meticulous craftsmanship. Every element, from the subtle lines to the perfectly proportioned rear profile, speaks of unparalleled luxury. This rear design is not just about aesthetics but also about making a powerful statement of exclusivity and excellence.